Welcome to our channel. Today we how to install Yahoo Finance app for portfolio tracking. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. Open your app store on your mobile device. If you are using an iPhone, go to the App Store. If you are using an Android device, go to the Google Play Store. In the search bar, type Yahoo Finance and hit enter. Look for the Yahoo Finance app in the search results. Check the app's logo to ensure it's the official app. Tap on the app to view more details. Once on the app page, locate the Install or Get button. Tap on this button to begin the installation process. Wait for the app to download and install on your device. Once installed, open the Yahoo Finance app by tapping Open or finding the icon on your home screen. After opening the app, you may need to accept the terms and conditions. You will then see the main dashboard of the app. To create a portfolio, tap on the Portfolio option, select Create a Portfolio or the plus icon to start a new portfolio. Enter a name for your portfolio in the provided field. You can now add stocks or other investments by tapping on Add Symbol. Type the stock symbol or name of the investment you wish to include. Select the correct option from the provided list. Input the number of shares you own and tap Add or Done to save. Continue adding any additional investments to your portfolio. Once your portfolio is set up, you can track your investment's performance. Explore various features such as news, alerts, and market data to enhance your tracking experience. Familiarize yourself with the app to maximize its potential for portfolio tracking. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.